maganda rito sa amin. Maganda naman yung ND. I'm using ND for 16 or 32. Oh no, 16 polarized lens. Kasi kung wala yun, yung exposure just testing if magpipik yung mic. So yeah, I am trying to check kung magiging okay yung output